So I'm just walking down the street and I find these laptops, and like one's a Dell. I mean, it looks pretty good. I'll check it out right now. Oh shit, it's pretty heavy duty. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. 2 laptops. It sounds okay. I'll sell it as is. Alright, let me take pictures of this, list this, and we'll go around and see if we can sell it. Somebody showed interest in this, so we're going to move this from here really quick and go ahead and turn around and sell this. So the guy's here now, so I'm just going to go and sell it to him. Hi, how are you doing?
Hey.
Hey, so these are the laptops right here, Dell and the Q.
Are you going to turn them on and show me?
And it was as is.
Any power cord?
No, as is.
What do you want?
It's like $60.
You sure they're not stolen?
No, they're not.
Yeah, 40.
You know.
That's all I have.
Okay, how much is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 58.
Oh, okay, great. Done deal. Here you go.
This is how we do it.
Alright, see ya. There we go, guys. That's a fat wad of cash. It's just laptops you found on the grass. And that's how you do it.